In this video, I will show you how to link your IC Markets trading account with TradingView. To get started, open your browser and visit TradingView. Once the website loads, sign in to your TradingView account. After logging in, open any chart you want to use. This can be a forex pair, gold, an index, crypto, or any other market available on the platform. When the chart opens, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on Trade. This will open the Broker Connection section. From here, TradingView will display different brokers that are available for integration. Look through the list until you find IC Markets. If you cannot see it immediately, use the search bar and type IC Markets. Once it appears, select it from the list. Next, click on Connect. TradingView will now take you to the IC Markets login page. Here, enter the login details for your IC Markets account. Make sure you use the correct information for either your live account or demo account. After typing in your details, click on Login or Connect, depending on what appears on your screen. Now, give it a few seconds while the platform verifies your information. Once the setup is complete, your IC Markets account will be linked with TradingView. You can then use TradingView to check your charts, follow your open positions, manage trades, and place orders directly from the chart, depending on your account access and region. If IC Markets does not show in the broker section, or if the login fails, check that your account is active and that TradingView integration is supported for your IC Markets account. Also, before opening any position, always review your lot size, stop loss, take profit, and account type carefully. And that's it. That's how you can link IC Markets Broker with TradingView.